to watch. And I would always hold it like a gem because it was a gem product. I'd say, let me tell you about the conditioner. They don't know what the heck to do with this, right? But I got their attention. I'd say the conditioner is a moisture treatment, a protein treatment, a nucleic acid treatment. By the way, rub it in your hands. Very good for your skin.
Can I put it on my head?
Oh, there you go. And all of a sudden they're part of my presentation. And then when they're sitting in the chair, get your customers here, put a little bit in there and tell them what this does. And at home, they can do the same exact thing and it's good for your skin. So now I've incorporated them into it.
Actually giving them the product to experience it. Powerful way of getting them involved.
Who cleaned up the mess?
I don't know. But it's interesting to involve your customer there.